Charlotte, what are you thankful for? Mimi and Papa? Very good. What are you thankful for, Lincoln?
I'm going to.
Your church? Is that what you said?
I want to.
You don't want to?
I want to.
You do want to? What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my trip.
For what, honey?
I'm thankful for my trip.
Do you know what he's saying?
Cat.
Is that what you're saying? Your cats?
My trip.
Yeah, how many cats do you have, Lincoln?
I have 3 cats.
3 cats. What are their names? Pumpkin?
No.
What's their names? Tell me again. I don't know.
I want to.
You don't want to?
I want to.
You do want to?
I do.
Okay.
I'm thankful for my dog. I can go for my mama. I'm thankful for my dog. I thank you for my mommy. I'm thankful for Jacob. I'm thankful for my sticky hand.
You're thankful for your sticky hand? Oh, that you earned from the treasure box. Very good.
I'm thankful for Mimi and Papa.
What are you thankful for, Lincoln? Want to think of something? I'll come back to you, okay? Okay, Otto.
I want my mom and daddy.
Noah.
Candy.
Oh, you're thankful for candy? Very good. Nora.
Thank you for my dog.
Very good. What do you want to say thank you for, Lincoln?